Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to debut one Linux desktop that we have never seen on any of the media. So let us start. I have started the Aptos App Center of Sparky Linux. So these 2-3 desktops are only available in Sparky Linux. I have not seen them on any other Linux distro. So let us start. We will install them one by one. So first we will click on the desktops. So this will show you all the desktops that are available in Sparky Linux. So the first new desktop that we have never used, we have never seen any video on this desktop anywhere on the social media, or we can say audio visual media, is CDE Desktop. So let us start with the installation of CDE Desktop, and in the next video we will check out the CDE Desktop. So let's start. I will click on the CDE Desktop. So this is the package Sparky Desktop CDE that is going to be installed. Version is 220913. Maintainer of this package is Pauru, and the download size is just 1816 bytes and install size is 32.8 KB. So the dependencies of this desktop are CDE Desktop, GPI, C View, Light DM. So it is working on the Light DM Display Manager, SDDM, GDM3, LX Input, LX RANDR, LX Task. So it is using some components of the LXQT desktop. There is menu XDG, Network Manager is there, Network Manager, Gnome is there, POW Control, Plymouth, Policy Kit 1, Genome, then Pulse Audio, SMB Client, Sparky About, Sparky Aptos App Center, Sparky Aptos Upgrade, Sparky Core, Sparky Plymouth, Sudo Synaptic, X Archiver, that is the file roller, X Screensaver, XDG Utils, XDG User, DIRS, that is the directories, and the X init. So this is the initialization system for the CDE desktop, that is X init. Description: the Sparky Desktop CDE. This is a meta package install CDE common desktop environment with a minimal set of applications. Should I install the packages you have chosen? So you have to confirm the installation. So here you can see 46 newly installed packages will be there. 0 to remove, 0 to upgrade. Need to get 68.4 MB of archives. After the operation, 271 MB of additional disk space will be used. So it is very light desktop. I think it should look similar to the LXQT desktop because it is using some components of LXQT. Most probably it should be there. So it will be a big surprise for all of us, including me. Okay, so the CDE desktop has been installed. So I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out the CDE desktop. See you in the next video.